Welcome back to our channel, where we explore exciting ways to make money using cutting-edge technologies. In today's video, we'll dive into the world of ChatGPT, an AI language model, and explore how you can leverage its capabilities to generate income. So if you're ready to unlock the power of AI and boost your earning potential, let's get started. Section 1. Introduction to ChatGPT. Before we delve into the money-making strategies, let's have a quick introduction to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to engage in conversational exchanges and provide insightful responses. By tapping into its vast knowledge base, you can unlock numerous opportunities to monetize your skills. Section 2. Content creation. One of the primary ways to make money using ChatGPT is through content creation. Whether you're a freelance writer, blogger, or social media enthusiast, ChatGPT can be your ultimate writing companion. You can use it to generate high-quality articles, blog posts, social media captions, or even entire books. Section 3. Virtual assistants. Are you interested in providing virtual assistants to clients? ChatGPT can help you there too. By setting up a virtual assistant service, you can use ChatGPT to handle customer inquiries, provide support, and assist with basic tasks. This can be a great way to earn money remotely and on your own terms. Section 4. Language translation. With ChatGPT's language capabilities, you can tap into the ever-growing demand for translation services. Offer your expertise in translating documents, websites, or even facilitate multilingual conversations. The global market is waiting for skilled translators like you. Section 5. Chatbot development. Businesses are increasingly leveraging AI-powered chatbots to enhance customer experiences. With ChatGPT, you can develop and sell chatbot solutions to companies. These chatbots can automate customer support, assist with sales, or engage users in interactive conversations. Section 6. The tutoring and education. Endless. If you have a passion for teaching, ChatGPT can be your virtual classroom assistant. Use its knowledge base to provide tutoring services or offer educational courses. You can help students grasp complex concepts, provide personalized lessons, and even create interactive learning experiences. Section 7. AI-driven product or service. Thinking outside the box, you can create your own unique product or service that utilizes ChatGPT. From personalized recommendation systems to AI-driven creative tools, the market is hungry for innovative solutions. Identify a niche, unleash your creativity, and monetize your AI-powered creation. Section 8. Conclusion and final thoughts. As we wrap up this video, remember that ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. The AI landscape is evolving rapidly, opening up countless opportunities to explore and monetize. Whichever path you choose, always prioritize ethical practices and stay up to date with the latest AI advancements. Thank you for watching today's video on how to make money using ChatGPT. If you found this information valuable, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more exciting content. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Until next time, happy earning!